What's up YouTube? Pictures by Schoolboy back again with another video. In today's video, I'm going to share some couple of tips which is going to help you earn a little bit more in photography. I know you are wondering if I make $1,000 a month myself in photography. Well, it's a yes and it's a no at the same time. But in today's video, I'm just going to give you some couple of tips which is going to help you make, if not $1,000, you are going to make a little extra as you are making right now with photography. Let's get started. The first thing I'm going to talk about is to edit for other photographers. Now this is something I do myself because there are some people who find my editing or my color grading to be very nice for them. So anytime they take pictures or they have issues with color grading, I just take a bunch of pictures from them. I color grade or I edit for them and I charge a little extra. So that is another way you can earn a little money apart from just taking pictures. Now this only works if your color grading or your retouching is amazing. I don't think anyone will take his or her images to you for you to retouch for them if your images or how you retouch your images is not that great. So I'll urge each and every one of you to always practice a lot with how you color grade or how you retouch your images. This way you can earn a little more extra by editing or color grading or just in general retouching, just retouching for others. Let's move on to the second tip. Now the second tip is to sell actions or presets. This is something that I don't do personally, but I've seen a lot of photographers doing, and I think they earn a little extra from selling presets or just actions. They have digital stores that they sell their actions there, and I think they make some pretty cool money if only your locks are great. So there are photographers like Irene Rudnick or Prince Mason from Nigeria. There are some amazing photographers out there who create amazing lots and they sell them online for some $2 or $3. So that's another way you can also earn money apart from just taking pictures. You can just get time to create amazing lots which works with some couple of images and put them online and put a price on it, and those who admires your work or those who likes how you color grade or retouch your images, they are going to click on it and hopefully you get some bucks. Go. The third tip I'm going to talk about is to teach other people photography. Once you are a photographer, there are going to be a ton of people who want to learn photography from you. There are a lot of people out there who don't want to learn photography online. They just want to meet you in person for you to teach them. So in order to teach them, you just charge them some couple of CDs or dollars and then you teach them photography. And that's another cool way to earn some money from photography. Sometimes you can even get your fellow photographers and then you organize a photography master class for, let's say, $100 or something for just a day or two, and then people will sign up and come for you to teach them, and that way you are going to earn money from teaching people photography. Let's keep it moving. The last tip I'm going to talk about today is to assist people on their photo shoots. This is something I always do when I started photography. I always did when I started photography. I used to assist people on photo shoot sessions like weddings and a whole lot. And when they take their money, I also get my share. So there are some wedding photographers out there who find it very difficult to be doing all those things alone. And if your work is pretty amazing, they can link you up, or you can just link them up to try and see if you can assist them on their work, and by doing that you are going to earn a little, couple of goodies. So that way you can earn a little more. And that's what I was saying at the beginning. Some of these tips I always do myself, and it brings me a little more than just taking pictures. So if you are able to do all that I've said in this video plus taking pictures, I think you can make much more as you are making right now in photography. So that will be the end of today's video. If you like this video, make sure you leave a like on the video and also drop a comment down below. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.